Commercial flat roof inspection and integrity testing, Stevenage. Whether your roof is a new construction or an existing building, the people responsible for design, construction, and maintenance should be fully aware of the criteria within British Standards 6229, 2018, flat roofs with continuously supported flexible waterproof coverings, Code of Practice, and NHBC Chapter 7.1 of flat roofs, terraces, and balconies. In NHBC Chapter 7.1.9, green roofs and propriety roofs, it is recommended that before covering a roofing membrane, it should be visually inspected and electronically tested for waterproofing integrity, faults rectified, and retested before further layers are placed. Premier Guarantee Structural warranties go further. Roof coverings. Green roofing section 7.11 under section 7.11, 15.2. The waterproof membrane should be tested for integrity before the application of any other components above it. Testing should be undertaken by a third party that is independent of the roofing contract. We offer a wide range of state-of-the-art testing in accordance with all major UK warranty providers and meeting guidance by British Standards, Property Care Association, and Syria, providing a full health and safety plan, risk assessments, and method statements, which result in a comprehensive O&M manual upon completion. To book a free consultation and testing plan, call 07480 569789.